just like that, here we are, back on the River Wye. Now, I wasn't going to film this trip because I thought you guys have had enough of me in a canoe. But I brought my equipment with me just in case to take some good shots. So I thought, why not? There might be one or two of you who are interested in this stretch for a start. What's different about this one as well? Oh, I haven't really checked the stretch out either, guys. There's some rapids in front of me, so I got to be careful with what I'm doing on this trip because the water level's up a lot more than the last time that I was on the river. Also, I've got no mosquito net. I'm going to go with these bad boys and see if they work. So watch this space. Thank you of courtesy of my mother. See if they work. Some good food to eat. I don't know where I'm camping. It's June the 15th, so it's going to get busy on the river with fishermen. Let me spin you around. As you can see, guys, there's a lot more water pushing today. The levels are up a little bit, so I'm going to have to be a bit more mindful. I'm looking forward to the adventure. Wildlife is on point here again. Different sort of river to upstream. Big shout out to Mrs. Wood Wandering. She's made me a birthday cake. And it's not my birthday. That's to keep the energy up. It's worth mentioning it's late in the day now, so I haven't got work tomorrow, so I'm taking full advantage of this. But the disadvantage is I gotta try and make up some serious ground to get somewhere tidy because I can't just be rocking up on some farmer's field, especially when you've got all the fishing pegs. Look at this behind us now. I'll give you the 360. See those fishing pegs there? You know, obviously someone's taken some time there to cut them out ready for fishing. This is probably a really, really good fishing spot there. You'll have barbel, you'll have a few carp in here, chub, horsefish. That's what they'll be going for. I've been some of those fish for barbel and chub before. I can assure you there's some good fun to be had. Those barbel fight like there's no tomorrow. There's also perch, dace, and all the other ones. Don't go breathing cake, guys. It's not good for you. I don't want to go back in the woods. Already it was worth the trip. Just saw a kingfisher flash across in front of me. Watched him go down the river. I saw he landed, so I'm going to try and get you guys in a bit closer, see if we can see him. The further I go down, the more of a mistake I'm starting to think this was now, because everywhere I go now there's fishing pegs cut out, so I'm going to struggle to get somewhere that's I can get my head down to. And the further I go down, the closer I'm getting to Hereford. Fishing pegs, and everyone's going to be out yet tonight. I've already seen a few fishermen now getting ready to start fishing tonight. Like I said, everywhere I go now there's fishing pegs cut out, so let's have a look on the map. Now, I thought I'd pull over here. It looked like a lovely little spot. And I gotta be fair, it's not too bad. There's no fishing pegs, and these all these old trees mean that this is an old estate. Plus, have a look at this spot. What do you reckon? It smells a little bit like a... If we were pushed, that'd be a bed for the night. Plus, look at the surroundings, yeah. Beautiful. Let's have a little look at this. And it's got a bit of a spring or something there as well, look. Being quiet because I just saw a fox on the bank. I'm not sure if I disturbed him when I went out for a walk because he was moving, but this is perfect fox territory here. No pesticides on those fields, grazed, just a nice little bit of a cover. It's just quiet, no people, so I would imagine these cubs very close by, and they'll be getting on a little bit now. They'll be out worming soon. Beautiful. There's an old estate, must be with those big trees in there. I can't see a big house there. Should be really, have a look on the maps. I'm going to push on a little bit further. I've got about an hour. This might be the biggest mistake that I've made or not, but I just got that feeling. Get on a little bit. It's a National Trust ground further down, so I'm hoping that they're not going to want people barbel fishing on there, so we'll push on. I saw a wonderful sparrow just fly over there and just threw a willow tree down and around. I'll cut into a picture of one of those now. Just jumping. Also, I don't like to be... Wow, chaffinch taking the fly off the water. I'll cut to one of them. Yeah, I don't need to be down on the farm or whatever, because pumping water is one thing, that's good, you know. Get some water out of the river, use it. This river stinks of chicken shit. That's all I can smell is chickens. And that's not good, is it? I thought that might be a farm here, but I think it's the water. Something's got to be done about that, surely. I don't want to start that rant with the water companies as well. That's a 2-hour video on its own. So I'll keep going down here now, guys. Hopefully find somewhere to stay, otherwise We're just going to be sleeping on a muddy bank on the Canoe. Oh. And I'm not even joking, I've looked on the maps as well. It's not looking good. So I think I found a spot. Looks like we've got neighbours. I was a bit concerned about those cattle because there's quite a big herd of them. Didn't want to disturb them to start bawling. They got calves. When I mean bawling, moo, moo. It's the best cow impression you've ever heard. But yeah, I won't sleep and they're just disturbing them. But I stayed quiet and they've just gone on their way. Plus, I'm safe enough here because there's a 3-strand of barb to save me. Oh, it was not a panic. I was panicking. Because there's not many spots here on the river. But this seems ideal because it's tucked in out the way, a little delve. It is on the floodplain, but there's not too much stuff here. There's not too much undergrowth, not many stingies. I'm in amongst the willow trees, so there's plenty of fallen twigs. Snap this off, get a bit of a fire going, and let's just chill out for an hour. I could do that. Big dark cloud overhead. I'm going to sling a tarp up quickly just in case I don't fancy getting soaking wet. And there is the setup. Do you want to have a look around? What I've got is a Wang Tigers cot bed. We've got the DD Duro. We've got a Thermarest pillow. We've got another Therma. This is the Vango. It's Vango self-inflating. This is a good one. I've had that since I started really, and it's still going. Look at that. Gives me that extra bit of height. But have a look without looking. Not a bad view at all, is it? Dos il pavo. That looks absolutely stunning. I'm gonna try a bit of that. I did put an extra couple of prawns on there. I need this. Get my sack and get some well-deserved rest. Oh, look at it, look at it. Beautiful, beautiful. So that's breakfast done. I have to get this squared away and get back on the water soon. But before I do that, I'm just gonna ring a friend of mine I've known for a few years now, and I know that I can trust his honest opinion on life decisions that I make. So I'm just gonna give him a call and let him know what we're doing here. Hiya, Jeremy, all right? Yeah. Jeremy, just your honest opinion. I've come on another canoe camp.
Why have you done that? I'm going to make a suggestion. Don't come back here. Don't come back. Go away. Go to Tierra del Fuego, and even I'm going to hunt you down and kill you there.
I don't think he's happy with that. Right, let's get this lot squared away and get down the water. It's like I haven't even been here. Let me show you this fire pit. So, a bit of rain, that'll be washed away. Let's get down the water. What a peaceful morning on the river. Not a breath of wind. I said, there's a fair bit of flow here. I'm just looking for somewhere now I can pull over. I'll have a dip. I think I'm going to sign this one off here, guys. If you watch this far, massive thank you, guys. Appreciate it. There's a little more in the background. It's just a bit of me. It's been a fantastic trip again. It's just done me the world look good. The amount of wildlife that I've seen once again is phenomenal. Like I was sat there last night sat around the fire with a tawny owl on a branch about 20 foot away from me. Kingfishers. Kingfishers everywhere. I've seen sparrowhawks. It's just phenomenal, and it was a pleasure just watching the fox as well yesterday, just going across that bank. Brilliant. Really enjoyed this trip. I thought there'd be a lot more fishermen down here, but as it happens, it's not quite so bad. So I'll see you guys for the next episode.